All right, guys, we got you a 2017 Infiniti Q50, as you can see in the face. Anyways, 2017 Infiniti Q50 3.0 Turbo, I think. It has a T. Does it stand for turbo? No one knows. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful beast, factory converter there, no secondary converters, which is awesome. Then what we did is a BORLA Pro XS, as you guys can see right there, part number 40349. There will be a link in the description, a single in, dual out. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and right there, and finished it off with some 4-inch tips out the back, 4.5 inch actually. It fills up the gap really nice, as you guys can see, right there and right there. There's the two resonators we cut off. There's the huge muffler we cut off, and the tips. Ah, that sounds good. Again. Don't you guys hear sound decibels? Right at 95. He didn't want it loud, he wanted the tone. So we gave him the tone without a lot of noise. Gives it the BORLA Pro XS gives it an exotic, deep tone. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds really nice. Again. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yes, sir! Infiniti Q50 BORLA Pro XS system. Nice. Enjoy, guys.